Imagine you could put your money somewhere and there was a guaranteed interest rate. No risk of it going down. Well, there is, and it's called a GIC. So let's talk about it. When people want to grow their money, they come to me and they ask me where they can put their money that is not risky. So here it is. The GIC, aka the Guaranteed Investment Certificate, aka the safest investment out there. So let me break down exactly what it is. A GIC is basically like lending your money to a bank for a set period of time. This could be a few months, it could be 5 years, whatever. And in return, they are gonna promise to pay you back with interest. So you literally cannot use this money unless the bank collapses. And in Canada anyways, most GICs are protected up to $100,000 by CDIC insurance. So you literally can't lose money when it comes to GICs. I know what you're thinking, Reni, this sounds like the vanilla ice cream of investing, and I agree. It is not flashy, but let me tell you, there are certain times when vanilla is exactly what you need. Here's why GICs are actually great for some people. One, there are guaranteed returns. So that means there is no guessing, no market roller coaster. If you are to lock in a GIC at 5% for 1 year, you're getting that 5%, period. No questions, no mistakes. It's always going to be 5%. Second, following up on that, there's zero risk. Unlike stocks or maybe crypto where you're investing in something that has inherent risk, with GICs, your principal is protected. So even if the market decides to crash like it currently is crashing, your GIC stays solid. And I think this is great, especially when you have short-term goals. For example, if you're saving for a vacation, if you have a wedding that you're saving for, if you have a home purchase, or maybe even a designer bag that you've been eyeing, GICs are the perfect way to help your money grow without stressing that you're going to lose any of that money. I just want to emphasize that GICs are not for everyone. Personally, I do not own any GICs because I'm currently in my wealth creation era. If you're trying to build long-term wealth, stocks and ETFs and other investments are still the way to go. But if you're someone who's super risk averse or you just need a safe place to park your cash for a little bit, I would say GICs are perfect for you. Let me put you on to some tips to help you get the best GIC. Tip number 1 is shop around. Don't just take the first GIC rate that your bank offers. Instead, check out credit unions and online banks because they typically have better rates. So let me show you one of my faves. EQ Bank is currently one of my favorites, and they have some great rates right now compared to other financial institutions. So you can see here right now, their rate for a non-registered GIC is 3.45% for 1 year. So it's gonna lock in that rate for an entire year. And you can use their GIC calculator to see exactly how much you will get at maturity if you do lock in the rate right now. Another tip for you would be to consider laddering. So instead of locking all your money into one GIC, you can spread it out over different terms. So let's say you have a 3-month GIC, a 6-month GIC, a 9-month GIC, and a 1-year GIC. This means that you will always have some cash that is freeing up that you can access instead of locking it all in for 1 year. And the last tip I'll give you is just to look at the term of the specific GIC that you're looking to buy. A short-term GIC will give you flexibility, but a long-term GIC will typically have a better rate. Find which one works for you based on how soon you need to access the money. Also, it's important to know that you can buy your GIC inside of a registered account. So instead of buying your GIC in a regular non-registered account, you can actually buy it within your TFSA, your RSP, your FHSA, or any other registered account. So that means all the interest will be either tax-free or tax-deferred, which is amazing. At the end of the day, GICs are not going to make you rich, but they will give you peace of mind. And sometimes that's priceless. So let me know what you think. Are GICs the product you didn't know you needed? Let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. See you in the next video. Bye.